Well, finally. It took a month to get here. But this is the awesome Eventuri intake in carbon fiber. Just wanted to take a good look at this. The build quality and carbon fiber work that they put in there is outstanding. You can really feel the texture inside here, the flow. This is like nice rubbery piece. It's more like, I can't describe how light this is. You guys might think that, this might be just as light as plastic, but this is actually much lighter than plastic. This is beautiful. This has a textured symbol on there. I don't know if you can see it. This is, of course, their patented filter cone. This goes this way, so it's actually what people may think by first sight a flipped cone filter. This is their patented filter design. Reminds me almost like a Dyson air filter. I don't know, how big is this? Well, my finger spreads to approximately 9 inches, so that is about 8. And that pretty much, I understand, kisses up against this. Just like that. Flows through and just goes through there. Everything on this thing. This thing probably weighs about a pound total, with filter and metal frame piece and the carbon fiber housing. This thing, I can't describe to you how light it is. I asked my honey to hold it. She can pinch it with her pinky. She doesn't quite have a very strong finger grip. This thing looks like it's about almost 28, 29 inches in length. It weighs literally nothing. I can't describe to you. And it feels very, very strong. This looks like the hosing the hose housing that goes to the turbo. It's got this beautiful billet, I guess, connector for something, because I haven't looked at the Audi yet, so I don't know what this is for. But I'm sure this goes to the turbo, because this has to be the bend that comes off from there and into here. This must be the breather hose. The weave on this, just in case you wanted to see what a TTRS/Audi RS3 Mark III Eventuri intake looks like up close. Again, I can't describe how light these are. Again, it's just so light. This is 9-inch spread right here, so it'll give you an idea of the length. My fingers are about 9 inches when I spread it like this. So, yeah, like 14 inches there. These are just the couplers. It's probably the hose coupler to the stuff, and this is all the rest of the couplers to put this baby together. Just getting here. 2, 3. 3 times 9, 27. Yeah, 28, 29. Yeah, maybe 30 inches. Got it over here. But yeah, this is the up close and person. Of course, I mean, this is probably the most carbon right there, is this design. But this is their patented part right here. Yeah. Well, that was fun.